At the heart of Project 2025 were 4 pillars, each designed to turn ideology into governance. This was the master document, a 900-page blueprint which outlined exactly how to reshape federal departments. And obviously, we can see the reshaping of the federal government full on display. It's happening. Every chapter focused on a different agency, how to redistrict its mission, reassign its leadership, and rewrite its priority. A nationwide registry of pre-vetted individuals must be loyal, trained, and ready to take federal appointments on day one. Think of it as orientation for government built to execute a specific mission. Pillar number 4, the 180-day playbook. The final piece, a detailed timeline for the first 6 months in office. It lists what to undo, what to prioritize, and which agency to target first. It's not improvisation, it's acceleration. A playbook designed to ensure that by the time the public catches on, the machinery is already in motion.